Do you want to unlock the full potential of your laptop? Well, get ready to unleash a world of powerful tricks and tips with this laptop hack guide. First up, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. These handy combinations can save you so much time. Pressing Ctrl+C will copy, Ctrl+V will paste, and Ctrl+C will undo your last action. But that's just the beginning. Did you know you can take screenshots with just a simple shortcut? Pressing the PRT-SCN button will capture your entire screen, while Alt+PRT-SCN will capture just the active window. Next, let's dive into multitasking. Have you ever wished you could have multiple windows open at the same time? Well, you can. Just press the Windows key plus the left or right arrow key to dock your current window. Now, let's move on to customization. Personalize your laptop by changing the wallpaper. Right-click on any image and choose Set as Desktop Background. You can even create your own slideshow. Storage is always a concern. Did you know you can free up space by compressing files and folders? Right-click, select Properties, and then choose Compress Contents to save disk space. And if you want to search your laptop faster, use the Windows key plus F to bring up the search tool. It's a lifesaver when you're trying to find that important document. We hope these laptop hacks have blown your mind. Make the most out of your device by exploring all the amazing features it has to offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.